Every bottle begins where the earth gives sweetness.
Harvested at peak maturity, the sugar source is secured.
Modern machinery accelerates what once took days.
The raw sweetness moves from field to transport. Alongside sugar, water begins its journey.
Purified water is drawn from controlled sources.
Flow is regulated with precise control. Impurities are removed before refinement.
Each source is tested before approval.
Cane is pressed to release its essence.
Clarified into concentrated syrup.
Stored and ready for transport to the bottling plant.
Refined sugar is sealed for controlled transport.
The journey to the bottling plant begins. Every load moves under strict logistics control.
Purified water follows on a synchronized route. Every shipment is verified before entry.
Materials arrive at the heart of production, transferred through sealed pneumatic systems.
Water enters storage under constant monitoring.
Carbon dioxide completes the core ingredients.
Raw components stand ready for formulation.
The secret concentrate arrives under strict control.
All ingredients now converge toward production.
Inside these walls, precision meets scale.
Every shift begins with strict safety protocol. Clean entry protects every bottle produced. The production floor operates with engineered precision.
Stored sugar prepares for measured release.
Measured to the gram for consistency. Water and sugar combine under controlled agitation.
Heat accelerates dissolution without compromise.
Purity is preserved before formulation.
The signature concentrate is handled with care. Formula meets foundation. The base syrup is now ready for transformation. Before filling begins, containers must be prepared.
Automation separates and feeds each container.
They move in synchronized flow.
High-pressure air ensures internal cleanliness. Redundant cleansing safeguards quality.
Vision systems detect the slightest flaw.
Only perfection proceeds. Prepared containers converge for filling. The transformation stage draws near. Carbonation is carefully controlled. Pressure stabilizes the filling environment. The base syrup arrives for final creation.
Water and syrup unite in exact proportion.
Carbon dioxide dissolves under controlled pressure.
Temperature locks carbonation into the liquid.
The filling cycle begins in synchronized motion. Each bottle receives its measured volume. Sensors verify consistency in every unit.
Caps align in flawless orientation.
Each seal is tightened to specification. Every closure is verified instantly. Traceability is etched onto every bottle. Clean surfaces prepare for branding. Now complete in form, ready for identity. Brand identity prepares to meet the bottle. Precision alignment ensures perfect placement.
Each bottle receives its unmistakable mark.
Heat seals the branding seamlessly.
Digital eyes verify visual perfection.
Flow is balanced before grouping.
Units are formed for consumer convenience.
Protective wrapping encloses the set. Heat transforms film into secure packaging.
Cooling stabilizes the finished bundles. Bulk cartons prepare for distribution.
Each carton is sealed and traceable.
Automation stacks with calculated precision. Sensors confirm structural balance. Fresh pallets feed the continuous flow. Stability is reinforced for transport.
Each pallet is secured against movement.
Protection extends from base to crown. Driverless transport takes over.
Operations are tracked in real time.
Performance remains within exact tolerances. Preventive checks sustain uninterrupted flow. Compressed air powers critical mechanisms. Finished goods move toward organized storage. Storage is calculated down to the centimeter.
Inventory updates instantly across the system.
Random sampling ensures ongoing precision. Each batch is independently verified. Brand placement must be exact. Volume consistency defines reliability.
Carbonation strength remains within limits.
Closure integrity is non-negotiable.
Flavor consistency is carefully evaluated. Color and clarity reflect formulation control.
Every parameter is documented.
Verified products return to the distribution stream.
Beyond the line, science safeguards consistency.
Acidity is measured to precise standards.
Sweetness is verified scientifically.
Dissolved gas levels remain exact. Safety is verified beyond the visible. Time confirms purity. Durability withstands pressure. Integrity remains intact.
Flavor is experienced and confirmed.
Only approved batches move forward.
Data finalizes the release.
The final clearance is given. The final units gather for departure.
Outside world awaits.
Every space is calculated.
Security is confirmed before motion.
Authorization sets the wheels in motion.
from precision floors to open roads.
Inside, the cycle continues.
The final destination, ready to be chosen.
From field to refreshment.
The sparkle finally released.
Crafted through precision at every stage.
And this is how modern factories produce Coca-Cola from start to finish.